To install Jupyter Lab, we first need to have Python on our computer. So let's go to python.org. Here we hover over Downloads and choose Windows. And I'll download the latest Python 3 release. The Python installer is being downloaded. Let's run it to install Python. And make sure that you check both of these boxes, then install now. We now need a folder to store our Jupyter Lab projects. I'm going to place it on my desktop, but you can use any folder on your computer. I'll call my folder Python Workspace. We now need to open the folder, and let's open the terminal in this folder. To do that, we right-click in the folder and choose Open in Terminal. In case you don't see this option, try to hold the Shift key and then right-click, and you should have the option to Open in Terminal. If we now run Python version, we can see the version of Python we just downloaded and installed. So all that's left is installing Jupyter Lab, which can be done with the command pip install Jupyter Lab. This installation is on the longer side, but it shouldn't take more than 2 to 3 minutes. And Jupyter Lab was installed. To start it, we simply run Jupyter Lab. And we can now create a new notebook. And Jupyter Lab is up and running. Happy coding!